Let's go. That's sick, bro. Hell yeah. Hey, y'all. Everything's bigger in Texas, you know, and we're at the Buc-ee's, so we're gonna get some gas, and then we're gonna like skid on daddle and get on out here. See you later, Buc-ee's. It's a good time seeing y'all, and we'll be back soon. We'll be back soon for sure, y'all. It's a real tree. It's real. It's real. Hell yeah, brother.
At present time, they saying that I'm the next nigga. Whoa, whoa, that kinda sounds like a death trap. Can't see the flow, I'm elevated with the steps in. James Bond, James Harden with
A lot of G's up in this lot, bruh. Here we are. Made it to the promised land, the G lot. So I'm just gonna go find a little parking place and go snowboard for a little while. It's 1 o'clock right now, so get a good couple hours in and hit it again tomorrow. Looks nice and flat right over here. I'm gonna back in because I am cooler than that. Yep, counterculture, I'm different, I'm the coolest ever, some say. Got to walk right over there for the shuttle, and it takes me right to the gondola. Chilling. Had a fun day snowboarding. I was up there about 2.5 hours, but now we're just chilling and about to dig into some chicken soup. All right, so 7:45. Got a couple hours of sleep in, but making some oatmeal and some water for coffee in the French press. And it is 21 degrees in here. Not too bad. Could be worse. Oh well. The sun's out. It's gonna be a nice day. Warming up my toes so my boots aren't as cold. Definitely the worst part of the morning, putting those on. Like putting your feet in ice. Awful. But the heater makes it nice. Just got back to the truck. Super nice out today. Had to stop and get some lunch, take off my mid layer. It's getting a little bit too warm. Got some coffee from this morning in my thermos and heating up some curry. So should be good. Get out there for another hour or so. Maybe 2 hours, I don't know. And probably head home. It's gonna be icy, I would imagine. After it's so nice today, it's gonna freeze up and be shitty. But whatever, I made the most of it. Super fun out there. Frozen curry. Done in a minute, probably. Do you want some? There's 2 dogs, let's go. What's up, puppy? been real. Time for a long drive home. It was fun. Wouldn't be I-70 without traffic. Everybody loves traffic on I-70. So great. Boy. Oh, we're moving. We're faster than that side. We're faster than that side. Look at us go. Oh, we stopped again. We're still in traffic, but there's an ice waterfall and a big wheel. So we've got stuff to look at. It's pretty cool. Imagine being stuck on in traffic on I-70. It couldn't be me. I'm on 6. I made a mistake. I fucked up. It's fucking rush hour in Denver, and I'm an idiot. They seriously want $8 for a toll? That's crazy. How do people live like this for real? This is insane, dude. Good old Colorado. Just like I'm driving in LA. We might be in stop and go traffic, but look at the mountains. There's mountains over there. That's cool. Look at those mountains. Like 15 miles outside of Denver with seemingly no end to this traffic. Mountains. Wow, look at those mountains.